Hey guys, it's 6:50 in the morning, day 1 of leg 2, and I'm hitting the trail, headed over Piute Pass today, and camping just below. And if it weren't for the wind, temperature would be decent, but that wind makes things cold. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get hiking. Just like last night, it's pretty windy. A little annoying at times. Oh, that's fresh. Phew. Up above that should be Loch Laven Lake. That wind is cold. Should be coming up to Loch Laven right now. Loch Laven. Lake coming up. It's called the pass is very windy, and I was like, I'm getting the idea. Ow. Lake, the beginning of. Ooh, ice on the tree. What the? That's interesting. I don't know why I thought that was Piute Lake. That's not Piute Lake. Piute Lake is up there. So, yeah, it's up there. Once you get above this, should be able to see Piute. I was gonna say, that seemed like it was awful quick to get up to Piute. And I should be able to see the pass once you get to the top of these rocks too. This is Piute Lake. You'll be able to see from the view at the top both Piute Lake and Loch Leven Lake. But you'll see that soon. Still got a little ways to the top of the pass. Almost at the top. Almost. Ooh, burr. Piute, Loch Leven. I guess this is the snow I have to cross. Still crunchy, whoop, a little bit. I think this comes to the top now. Whoop. on, lake. There it is. I'm at the top. Heck yeah. Whew. Okay, that's cold. I'm gonna take a break and we'll head down. So, I'm here at camp. I left the pass, I think, at 11. Got there maybe 10:30. And, I'm not sure what time I got here. But, I just kind of rested and stuff. I wasn't feeling all that great for some reason. I don't know. I don't think it would be altitude, but it kind of presented like altitude. I don't know. But I'm feeling better now. I ate dinner. I had to pretend that my instant potatoes were, or was a nice big juicy hamburger with onions in order to eat it, because otherwise I didn't want to eat. Which isn't good, because I need the calories. It's supposed to get really cold, like in the 20s. So, I may not be able to shoot morning videos when it's like that, because it just saps the battery. I mean, I'll turn it on and it'll say it's dying even though it's a full battery, so I may have to wait until later. Tomorrow I have an 11-mile hike. It should be pretty much downhill. I don't remember. I don't think it's steep. I don't remember. I don't think it is, but that's about it. Made it over Piute Pass, obviously, and going to Piute Creek Trail Junction tomorrow. And then tomorrow's going to be my longest day. And then the next day after that is going to be going to Sally Keys Lakes, which is going to be a bit difficult because of I'm going from like 8,050 feet all the way up to like I think 11,000 or something like that. I don't remember, but it's significant gain, which is going to suck. So that's going to be a hard day. I think that's about all I'm going to say for now. So good night, guys.
Come crashing in, I'm holding on, but the storm keeps raging. I don't know where to go, don't know where to hide, can't get away.